In this video, we will learn how to install and configure Jenkins using GitHub Codespaces. Jenkins is an open source automation tool widely used for continuous integration and continuous deployment, commonly called CI/CD. As we are going to install Jenkins using GitHub's Codespaces, we need GitHub to log in. In Google, search for GitHub and log in with your account. After logged in into GitHub, we need to create a new repository. In order to create a new repository, click the plus icon at the right corner and click for new repository. Name the new repository as Jenkins demo. After naming, make sure that the visibility is public. And now click on create new repository to create the repository. After the repository has been created, click on the icon create a code space and create new code space. To create a new code space for our settings, this creation and establishment setup might take few seconds. After the establishment of the connection, next we need to run few commands in the terminal. Begin by clearing the terminal screen to keep the workspace clean. For this purpose, we will run the command clear. Next, we update the package list to ensure we are installing latest available version of the software through the command sudo apt update. Now we install OpenJDK 17, which is required for Jenkins to run since Jenkins is built using Java. This installation of OpenJDK might take few seconds as it needs to install all the packages and libraries. Completes, we need to verify for the Java installation. In order to verify the Java installation, we can check the Java version. Once Java is successfully installed, we proceed to add the official Jenkins repository key. This key allows the system to verify the authenticity of Jenkins packages. Next, after the verification of authenticity, we update the package list again so the system can recognize the newly added Jenkins repository. After updating, we install Jenkins on the system. Once Jenkins is installed, We start the Jenkins service. Then we enable the Jenkins service so that it automatically starts whenever the system boots. We check the Jenkins service status to confirm that Jenkins is running successfully. We also ensure Jenkins service is active using the service start command. Now we verify Docker installation by checking its version. Docker helps to run Jenkins in a containerized environment. After downloading Jenkins Docker image, we create and run a Jenkins container. Command runs Jenkins in detached mode and maps required ports so we can access Jenkins through a web browser. Next, we confirm that Jenkins container is active. After confirming that container is running, we retrieve Jenkins initial administrator password from container. This password is required for first time login to Jenkins. Kindly copy this password. Now go to the ports tab in code spaces and open port 8080 in browser. Alternatively, you can manually open Jenkins by navigating to localhost on port 8080. In Jenkins setup page, paste administrator password that we copied from terminal. Click continue. Select the option to install the suggested plugins. Jenkins will automatically download and install the required plugins. From that, install the suggested plugins. We need to wait few seconds for the installation of all the required plugins. After plugin installation, we need to create a new administrator user by entering the required details. Enter your username and password, confirm password, your full name, and your email address. Once completed, click Save and Continue. And now click on Save and Finish. Finally, click Start using Jenkins. With this, Jenkins installation and configuration are successfully completed. Thank you.